Western education currently concentrates all its efforts on the development of rational capacities. The world, however, is not rational, and the human person has sensorial, emotional, and spiritual capacities that are underdeveloped. ProCESS is an innovative pedagogical project. Chosen and financed by the European Union, ProCESS aims to raise awareness of the fact that feeling and sensing are just as important as understanding, particularly in complex situations. ProCESS has conceived of a new concept, SESS skills, a new range of soft skills.
SESS skills, like sensorial, emotional, and spiritual skills. It will help you to be a better person and will gain you more confidence in the future.
Elaboration on my colleagues' statements. I think it's more out of the box way of studying. It's not so gray academic work. It's more like thinking on emotional level.
Yes, you have to be very open-minded.
True.
Yeah, with the SESS skills we can understand ourselves and the other people better. We can understand how we react, how we feel, how our emotions and mood affect to people around us. We can also sensitize our senses and see the world maybe deeper with our senses, and also spirituality is part of SESS skills, and I think spirituality is opening the meaningfulness of life.
ProCESS believes that SESS skills have a key role to play in the success of businesses and the well-being of employees. Our 4 partner businesses agree. The French multinational Sanofi, the Finnish media group Keski-Suomalainen, the Latvian Post, and the Romanian consulting firm De Clausen. ProCESS aims to democratize and spread the training of SESS skills in universities, businesses, schools, and continuing education institutions. How? Through workshops led by musicians, choreographers, philosophers, artists, and serious game professionals. That is how ProCESS trains sensorial, emotional, and spiritual skills, SESS skills. This strengthens our capacities in terms of awareness, alignment, and connection to others, to the self, and to that which is greater than the self. These competences are useful for tackling complex issues with more strings in one's bow, for consciously and unconsciously taking into account more parameters, and for being more agile and more resilient. This is the teaching and training methodology of ProCESS.
First of all, it's really a question of changing your feeling of your behavior. Always adapt your situation and try to find the solution within you, not without you. You are the solution, not the problem. So when you think about what can I do with my behavior, I think what can change of my behavior.
SESS skills training, it's not about learning methods that you can apply in any circumstance. It's about learning how to innovate and cooperate in real time, dealing with the unpredictable character of complex situations. Finally, it's like bringing management back to life. It's a change in inner attitude that we are trying to activate. It's a new way of listening and collecting information about what is happening.
In ProCESS training, the participants, who may be students or working managers, experience how SESS skills training can enable them to find original and innovative solutions to complex problems. The French company Performance has developed a tool specially for ProCESS that measures the SESS skills potential of each individual participant, that is, students, managers, and anyone else who is interested, and their progress over time. Awarded a grant by the European Commission, the ProCESS methodology ensures that SESS skills, which are vital to the human person, are taken into account in the education system, trained in young people, and transposed into the professional world in human resources and training departments. If you would like to join a SESS skills training course or become a SESS skills trainer, ProCESS is open to you.